To make the gradient in Canva, you will start a new design. You can either select YouTube thumbnail or whatever you want or the custom design. So I will go with the YouTube thumbnail because I will put same thing as a thumbnail. So for adding the gradient text to your design, you will go to the sidebar and click apps. In apps, you have to search for the type gradient and press enter. Then you will select this type gradient app. This will have this basic gradient already set up for you. You can change the format and you can change its colors. For example, you will set the green here, or even if you have linear, which is by default selected, you can select these circles and change the colors. Let's say here I will add the red, here I will add the yellow. So like that I can change the colors, and more importantly you can change the text. So gradient gradient text in Canva. I can centerline it. I can change its font. I can change the line spacing, etc. In fact, I will scroll up so it is visible, and you can change the line spacing, center rate, or alignment, and font, etc. Whatever I need to use it, and then go to font. So I can even change the gradient style like this. So whenever you are satisfied, you will just click add to design. And even if you have added it to the design and you are on some other page, just click this and click edit, and you will in a minute land there where you can change it further. Let it load, and then if you want to have more than 3 colors, you will click on a blank space. Another circle will appear, and you can select another color for this circle, and this will automatically be added to your text. So this green one is new one. You will update element, and it will appear here. Sometimes when you update element, something may go wrong. The text may show upside down or something else may happen. So you will have to just again click update element, and your text will get updated correctly. So when you are happy, you can close this, and you can further uh, update your design like whatever you want. So that's it for today's tutorial. Subscribe this channel, and I will keep bringing more.